Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set your Hisense air conditioner on the cool mode so that it basically start cooling your room properly. So first of all, what you need to do is you just have to simply take a look at your Hisense remote, and you just have to simply press this power button, and this way your air conditioner is going to basically turn on. Now you just have to wait for a few seconds for the indoor unit to start. Now when it starts properly, you just have to simply press this type of mode button repeatedly. So you need to just keep on repeating it until you see this type of snowflake icon on the display. So when you see the snowflake icon, you just have to simply just stop pressing the mode button. So when you see that, it simply means that your air conditioner is now in the cool mode. So when it is done, you just have to simply use these temperature up and the down buttons in order to basically reduce the temperature, and then you just have to set it to between 22 to 24 degrees Celsius, and then you just have to simply just leave it as it is. After doing so, you can also just simply take a look at the fan option on top of your remote, and you just have to simply press the fan button, and you can also adjust them to auto, low, medium or high speed depending on what you want. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.